Today, the American people won, and the special interests lost, finally. With the final passage of the Inflation Reduction Act in the House of Representatives, the American people are going to see lower prescription drug prices, lower health care costs, and lower energy costs. And big corporations are finally going to start to pay their fair share. Those that are paying $0 in federal income tax will now have to pay a minimum tax. And America is going to take the most aggressive action we've ever taken in confronting the climate crisis and strengthening the energy security of America and the world, quite frankly. Big drug companies, they spent nearly $100 million to try to defeat this bill. And yet every Republican in the Congress voted against the bill. Every single Republican. Against lower prescription drug prices, against lower health care costs, against a fairer tax system, against tackling the climate crisis, lower energy costs, and good paying jobs. And by the way, in the process, we reduced the deficit as well. This is a historic moment. The Democrats sided with the American people, and the Republicans sided with special interests. That's the choice we face, whether we protect the already powerful or have the courage to build a future where everybody has an even shot. That's the America I believe in. And today, we've come a step closer to making that America real. You know, there is nothing beyond our capacity, nothing we can't do when we remember we are the United States of America. We did a good job today.